Do you feel like you have this untapped potential within you? Like you have so much more to give than what you're currently giving? Or maybe you know the power of energy and the power of manifestation, but you just can't seem to create it and create the success that you truly desire. Or maybe you can create it, but then you just lose it like I did before I understood this simple yet profound concept. Well, if that's you, I have phenomenal news for you, because in this video, you will learn how to access your superconscious mind to restore your superconscious abilities, helping you to get what you want in life and fast. My name is Aaron Timms, and I'm the creator of Conscious Success. Conscious Success is a training and coaching academy teaching leaders who are passionate about making a difference to heal and become spiritual millionaires. A spiritual millionaire is someone who becomes a millionaire by fulfilling a spiritual mission. And we do this through our training and our coaching programs and our Superconscious Ascension process, so that you can recover your superconscious abilities and gain mastery over all areas of your life. Now, to access your superconscious and your superconscious abilities, you must first become fully aware of them, because if you're not aware of something, you cannot experience it. If you can define it, you can have it. So, the big question is, what is your superconscious? Well, the superconscious is the mind. It's really the intelligence of the ether. But your superconscious mind is where your mind kind of overlaps with the mind of the ether, the unified field, the universe, whatever you want to call it. Quantum physics tells us that nothing in this universe is solid. Now, if that's the case, then no matter how tiny each and every atom, molecule or particle is, there must be space between everything. And if so, then life is more of an energy flow than a collection of solid things. True? Is this making sense? So, the superconscious mind encompasses a level of awareness that sees beyond material reality, that taps into the energy and the consciousness behind that reality. Some refer to this as the ether, the essence of the universe, a flow of electromagnetic waves that permeate all matter and space. I refer to it as the superconscious mind. The superconscious mind is where true creativity is found. Expressions of this creativity from the superconscious mind are distinctive from those that come from the human mind. And there is a difference, a big difference. Now, the superconscious is where ideas for miracles and magic come from. Truly great works of art, music, poetry, great scientific discoveries and deep spiritual experiences are found in the superconscious. Profound physical healing of illness and disease also take place in this state of being, in this level of awareness. And here's the definition of superconscious. It's transcending human consciousness beyond the three-dimensional physical world of matter. To be conscious is to have knowledge or be aware of the environment, including the who's, the what's, the where's, the when's, the one's own body, the inner environment of thoughts and emotions. Super is excellent, or it's mastery. Therefore, the superconscious is mastery of consciousness, or in other words, heightened levels of awareness beyond logic, supernatural or spiritual awareness with the ability to influence the mind and the body instantaneously. So, now the big question is, how do you access your superconscious ability to create? Is this making sense? Now, if the superconscious mind is a state of heightened levels of awareness, then naturally the access point of your superconscious abilities is through a heightened level of awareness. And this is best defined as presence. So you can access your superconscious mind, unleashing those superconscious abilities through the sweet spot of the present moment. The energetic and chemical harmony created in your brain as a result of becoming fully present, and presence activates your pineal gland. And this magical gland is your body's transceiver, transmitting and receiving codes of information from the ether to access and harness your superconscious abilities. And when your pineal gland is activated, your mind becomes a magnet of your thoughts. Then all you need to do is envision what you want, intend it, and take purpose-driven action towards it, becoming a superconscious creator. It's really that simple. So now I've shared with you the basic understanding of what the superconscious is and how to access it. Here are 2 simple tips for you to activate your superconscious abilities. Are you ready? Number 1, truth. Knowledge that is the truth. Like, find knowledge that's the truth. And what I mean by acknowledging truth is to know the truth of who you are as a spiritual being. You are not your mind, you are not your body, and you are definitely not your identity. All limitations of potential, of human potential, are created and exist in the human mind. And that's the idea that you are separate from everything and everyone, that you're an identity that holds those limitations in place, those limiting beliefs about yourself. So you must let go of who you think you are, your name, your age, your skills, your race, your job, your title, and see yourself as this superconscious creator that you are. And as you let go of who you believe you are, you will notice the limitations begin to evaporate and miracles will begin to appear in your life and past. Now, a great technique for this is to look at yourself in the mirror and repeat the question, who are you, to yourself until you get the right answer. The right answer is a spiritual being or a superconscious being, and you'll feel the right answer. This will raise your level of awareness to superconscious and fast. Now, the next tip that I'm about to give you will blow you away with the simplicity of it. It's really simple. Number 2 is breath work, conscious breathing. By taking a long, slow, deep breath in through your nose, pulling that energy up into the top of your head, it will begin to activate your pineal gland. Yogis call this Kundalini energy. You will chemically open your pineal gland, the access point to the superconscious, therefore activating your superconscious abilities. You will forget who you think you are, and you will become limitless. Now, a really great way to do this is to elongate your spine, is to squeeze your navel and your perineum inwards and upwards and take a long, slow, deep breath up all the way into the top of your brain and hold it. Keep practicing this breath on a daily basis and you will literally notice, you'll begin to notice the changes and the results come. You'll feel super conscious and your environment around you will change rapidly. I hope this video has helped you to acknowledge your ability to create and understand how to access your superconscious abilities. If you feel you want more support, please check out my website in the description below, and please feel welcome to reach out at any time. So, what did you learn most from this video? What is it that you are going to take away from it? Go and write it down right now, or it will be lost. It will get lost. Comment below, let me know. I would love to hear from you, and I would love to start a conversation and hear your thoughts on this subject. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, this simple lesson is enough to change all the results in your life and to help you finally get what you want. It's acknowledging the truth of who you are, accessing your superconscious mind through heightened levels of awareness, and mastering the conscious breath to open your pineal gland, your body's access point to the superconscious. Now, if you have any questions, please feel welcome to comment below, and I will get back to you with an answer that helps you grow and evolve fast. And I will see you in the next video.